some drastic changes, and it has actually transformed my bike to some extent. Hello everyone, this is Anshuman, and I have actually done the ECU update like 2-3 weeks ago, and I am actually making this video quite late, but now I am kind of clear about the changes that the ECU update has made to the RR310. So starting off with the very first change and the most noticeable change is the idling RPM. Well, the idling RPM has decreased and it is much more stable now. It does not fluctuate like it used to. I have made a comparison video for it. You can see it right now. So that was the very first and noticeable change. Now the second change is the vibrations. Well, the vibration has decreased by a small margin. Well, the bike feels a bit smoother now. Please do note that the vibration still exists above 5 to 6 k RPM, but below that the bike feels a bit more smoother. It feels a bit more good to ride it slowly. Now coming to the third change is the gear shifts. Well, the gear shifts have become quite smooth in my case. I don't know about others, but in my case the gear shifts are very smooth. I did mention the hard gear shifts in my issues video, but now it is very smooth. Now the final change is the increase of mileage. Well, the mileage has increased by 1 to 2 km per liter. I am getting a mileage of 30 to 31 km per liter by riding like this. And this. Including a pillion too. So previously I used to get a mileage of around 28 to 29 km per liter by riding like that, but now I'm getting a better mileage. It is definitely a good increase. Now one thing is I didn't face the stalling issue like everyone was talking about, but I am facing that sudden stop of the engine issue that I mentioned in my issues video. You can watch it right somewhere right here. So basically when I am riding and if I press the clutch, at times the bike used to just completely shut down. But apart from that, all the changes that I mentioned in this video, by the way, I think the changes are possible due to the fact that I just think that TVS has done something to the air to fuel ratio of the bike, which has done some drastic changes, and it has actually transformed my bike to some extent. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and something big is coming up. Stay tuned to the channel. Goodbye and take care.